Good afternoon. Welcome to Johnston Motors, bringing you this 2002 Solar Yellow Jeep Wrangler TJ. This is a sport trim, which I'll go over that in just a sec. I'm going to do a short walk-around video of it. This one has right at 52,000 miles on it, so excellent mileage. This is a Texas Jeep. Clean title, of course, clean history, no body damage, anything like that. This is obviously Solar Yellow, one of my favorite colors. Excellent for cruising in the summertime. The paint is in really, really good condition. It's been garaged probably most of its life, at least since back to 2007. The family we purchased it from had been in their family since 2007, and they garaged it, and I absolutely believe that because the original paint is just, it pops. It's in great shape. There's no dents. You'll see like age stuff just from general wear and tear, but there's no dents, body damage, clear coat peeling, anything. Anyways, it's mostly a stock Jeep. It does have the aftermarket tube side steps and front and rear bumpers, but other than that, and in aftermarket wheels as well, but other than that, it's stock suspension. It runs and drives like a 52,000 mile stock 2002 Jeep Wrangler should. Runs great going down the highway. We probably put about 100 miles on this Jeep, and yeah, doesn't overheat or anything, and it is hot, so it's like almost 100 degrees today. Anyways, this does have the 4.0 inline six, otherwise known as the AMC PowerTech 242 cubic inch. Has a million names, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the 4.0 in it that everybody loves. And being a sport trim, it does have some nice upgrades on it. It has the heavy duty Dana 44 rear axle, and it does have Trac-Lok on it, which is also nice, especially if you're going to off-road it. And then, of course, just a standard Dana 30 in the front. Still has factory fog lights on it, which is great. They've been converted to LEDs. Interior is in outstanding shape. It has the Agate interior, which is it's basically gray. This is mated to the 4.0 is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. Love the 5 speeds. I prefer them. Can't talk today. Sorry, over the 6 speeds. It's just a feel thing, but yeah, all the gears shift, go in and out like they should. Runs and drives great. This had the fluids changed. It's been serviced and totally ready to go. Inspected too. This would make a great driver, collector, off-roader, overlander, whatever you wanted to use it for. Just a fun Sunday driver. Yeah, let's walk around it, and I'll tell you some more details about it. It does factory black hardtop, obviously, which is nice. Everything works, like I said. Heat works great. Cruise control works great. AC works great. I think that's about it. It does have the factory stereo still in it, which is nice, and it does function. I haven't put a CD in the CD player, so I don't know if that part works, but everything else on it works good. No leaks, which is amazing. Great. Yeah, full-size spare tire. Speaking of the tires, these tires are on the older side. If this is my personal Jeep, the only thing I would probably do to it is put the stock bumpers back on just because I prefer the stock look, and I would replace these tires. So they're not dangerous or dry rotted or anything, but they're probably about 10 years old. So it's sitting on some original BFG all-terrains. I would replace them with the newer BFG KO2s. Other than the tires, it's pretty much totally good to go. Let me pop the hood real quick so you can kind of see in here. Obviously, we've cleaned this one up. There's your 4.0. This Jeep does have 2 keys. Obviously, comes with clean Carfax, clean title, clean history report. So everything is good to go. You could totally take this Jeep on a road trip if you actually really wanted to road trip a TJ Wrangler. But anyway, yeah, make sure you check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. You can reach us anytime at 940-808-2382. And don't forget to like, tag, and share. Check our website for more pictures of this Jeep, including undercarriage photos. And I'll start her up and leave y'all with the motor running.